Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 8 fruit plants that thrive in May. Papaya. This is tropical fruit, thrives in warm weather and is abundant in May. Pineapple with its spiky exterior and sweet interior. Pineapple plants produce fruit in May. Mango. May is the peak season for mangoes, known for their sweet and juicy flesh. Watermelon. Refreshing and hydrating watermelon grow well in the warm days of May. Guava. Guava trees bear fruits in May, known for their unique flavor and fragrance. Lychee. May is the season for lychees with their juicy, translucent flesh and floral aroma. Pomegranate. Pomegranate trees start bearing fruit in May, known for their ruby red, aril and tart flavor. Jammu. May marks the beginning of the season for Jammu. Small purple fruits with a tangy sweet flavor. This is the video for 8 fruit plants that thrive in May. Well wishes, goodbye.